What's up mga palangga? Welcome back sa ating channel. I'm Mark Banuelos, your Millennial Hustler. And sa channel nga na ito ay nagtatakal tayo ng mga business tips and tricks, marketing, and life lessons. So if you are interested with those topics, you can consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button po. And yeah, yun na nga, sa video na ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang 4 reasons, 4 na rason why your friends are not good customers for your business. Now mga palaga, it's not a secret na yung first or yung kadalasan natin tinatarget na customers, yung paunang customers natin when we engage into business is yung mga friends natin, yung mga relatives natin, yung malalapit sa atin, yung mga kapitbahay or kakilala talaga, yun yung tinatarget natin na primary customers ng negosyo natin. Especially pag ikaw ay maliit lamang na business. Disclaimer lamang po, I'm not doing this to generalize, but most of the times naman kasi ito yung na-observe natin sa mga friends natin or mga kakilala natin when it comes to our small business na pinuput up. So, yun na nga, sinabi ko kanina na pag sila yung tinatarget natin, there are actually ang daming advantages when tinatarget natin sila. Una is kakilala na natin, and if ever nag-offer ka ng 1 month to pay, madaling mo lang masisingil kasi kilala mo na or malapit lang or alam mo na yung address. But may 4 na rason kung bakit they are not good customers for your negosyo. Number 1, sa kanila mauubos ang yung kita. Why? Bakit nga no? Because yung mga friends natin, yung mga kilala natin, some of them might take advantage dahil kilala tayo, so tatawad yan. Kahit medyo ino-offer na natin yung product natin na hindi naman talaga kamahalan, ino-offer na natin at a lower price, nagbigay na tayo ng discount, 10%, 5%, ano pang klaseng discount, kakilala discount. Kasi I know you, so I have to give you this 20% off or 20 pesos off si kailata. But some of them may take advantage of the situation, and at that point mauubos yung kita mo because yung iba is nagpapakonsensya. So in a business, you should have somewhat a hard heart minsan. So para hindi ka madala doon sa binabato nila the moment that they are actually bargaining the product that you are offering to them. Masyadong mahirap yun. Number 2 na disadvantage is tinitake advantage nila ang relasyon nyo sa business. Say for example, kapatid mo or pinsan mo or kakilala mo, close friend mo, best friend mo, sasabihin na lang nila, ay later na ako magbabayad kasi kakilala naman tayo, kaila bitaw ta. And they would actually abuse that statement, supposing that it's good, it's okay, but on your part, it's not advantageous. Hindi maganda yon sa part mo. And it's not good if you are doing constantly a mood of business na ganun-ganun na lang. So yung personal relationship is on top on the business that you are doing. Hindi sobrang maganda because it should be business is business. There are some things minsan na dapat siniset aside natin, and that is one of those things na dapat siniset aside because ang tendency is tinitake advantage nila yung kind of relationship ninyo over the business that you are doing. And number 3, reason why your friends are not so good customers sa iyong business, number 3 is they might get offended when you turn them down. So, many of them would say, kaila bitaw ta, and kakilala tayo, close tayo, but some of them might get offended if hindi nila nakuha yung gustong offer nila sa product na binibenta mo. So, if that's the case, might as well, ibigay mo na lang. Ibigay mo lang. So, it's not actually really good. It's not good. Mas mabuti pang magbenta ka sa stranger kumpara sa nakakilala mo na ganun yung attitude na parang binuburaot, parang minamaliit, or parang tinitake advantage nila yung sitwasyon and to turn off sila pag hindi nila nakukuha yung gusto nila. It's not good and it's draining sa business, and yeah, in the end, you will find yourself struggling with those kind of mode of business. Parang nakakairita at nakakawalang gana yun pag ganun. And number 5, this is actually advantage kapag you are into networking. So number 5, they might copy your idea. Good thing kapag nasa networking ka, kasi pwede mo silang ma-recruit or pwede mo silang ma-inganyo to join you. But if you are doing business like for example, nagbebenta ka ng banana queue or whatsoever, yung mga maliliit lang, it's not actually a good idea because they can become your possible competitor. Pero in the business, everyone is possible na maging competitor mo. Pero chances are, pag maliit na nga yung negosyo mo, tapos yung mga kakilala mo pa, nagninegosyo din ng ganun-ganun din, same yung target market, same yung customers, so ang tendency is, mas mahahati yung customer, mas maliliit yung chance na makaka-income ka ng medyo malaki at mababawasan yung chances mo na makakuha ng maraming customers because ang dami na ninyong nakikihati doon sa pie. So they might copy your idea or something else. So ganun. But the other side of it, it's actually parang medyo maganda because you have this positive impact on them but not on your business. Number 5, there are a lot of reasons bakit yung friend mo is not a good customer para sa iyong negosyo. If you have some reasons na alam nyo mga rason, you can comment them down and let me know in the comment section kung ano yung mga rason kung bakit yung friend mo is not a good customer para sa iyong sinisimulang negosyo. By the way, if nagtataka kayo mga palangga na yung mga contents natin lately is about business, about marketing, so I am informing you all in case you wanted to know na yung channel natin is reformat natin na maging isang parang channel of business tips and tricks, marketing ideas, and life lessons. So, yung mga topics na gano'n yung tinatakal natin and yun yung mga videos din na ina-upload natin sa ating channel. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, if na-watch nyo yung video na to till the end at this point, thank you so much. And you can consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button. Is a really big help para sa akin. And I'm just a small YouTuber. I'm thinking of becoming a big one and planning that I'm going to maximize my time by uploading more and more videos related to business tips and tricks, marketing ideas, and mga life lessons sa concept ng business because yun yung parang forte ko and parang mas madami akong share kapag ganun. So, yeah, I hope you keep on supporting me and thank you. Maraming salamat sa mga subscribers ko na and sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe. Please do consider subscribing po. Thank you so much and I'll see you again next time.